It's always something, yo. It's been about a week since we got the 387 stroker fired up, but we're still yet to take it out on the street, break the engine in pretty good, get it hot, make sure that we don't have any catastrophic failures or any sort of leaks. So in this video today, we're going to take you along for the ride. Now you guys get a first reaction to how our 387 feels on the street before we actually head over to the dyno, which won't be in this video. For those of you that are just joining us, this is a 387 stroker, 351 Windsor production stock block from a junkyard, 351 Windsor rods, an aftermarket $300 crank, Fox body, 302 HO piston, the TRW pistons from the 8792 motor. Topped off with an old school set of 170 trick flow heads. We're about to go out on the street. Got to break it in. Got to get ready for the dyno. Once we know everything's good, we'll put the hood back on. And at that point, we'll head over, put it on the rollers, put a little better tune in it, see how much power it makes. Cut the rings into the block, which they're probably seated anyways, but we're gonna go over there and get the motor hot, check the oil, you know, just check the things over to make sure that it's not gonna like fall apart or whatever. The whole purpose of it is to break the engine in, get the rings seated, get all the bearings, go change the oil and filter. You're pretty much ready to go at that point. Is fuel and oil leaks, coolant leaks. I don't really see anything at all, and that's a really good sign. Oil pressure's about 30. Coolant's good. It's always something, yo. Should have knew better.
Okay.
Let's see if it fires. Okay guys, we had a couple issues with I think our starter's pretty much smoked. No matter what we do with the timing, no matter what we do with the battery and the charging, it's not really helping us. It won't start up. So we've been having a little bit of issue with it. Me and my dad pretty much figured out that it's starter related because that thing is super hot. So do we think the armature maybe have gone bad? We're gonna put one of our little mini starters in there that we got, little torque starters that'll probably help the engine. We had a pretty good shakedown. We didn't have any leak or catastrophic issues. The oil pressure was at about 60 startup. I got to about 30 when it was hot. It did what it needed to do. We got a couple things to do when you put a new engine in and you put a new setup in. Some of these things always seem to happen. I'm pretty happy with it. We got the engine broke in, did what we wanted to do with it. It's pretty snappy. I didn't really get into it too bad. If I had to guess, it probably makes every bit of 400 wheel. After having some issues with the starter and the battery, I don't see any leaks whatsoever. Still got about 30 PSI on there. We got this thing nice and broke in now. We're ready to hit the dyno for sure. Sounds real good, runs real good. I'm happy with it. Pretty cool little build. If you guys enjoy this sort of content, I appreciate you following me this far. Check out that playlist for this whole build on this motor, as we'll be making some more content soon here on the channel. But outside of that, I just appreciate you watching. Leave me a big thumbs up. Leave me a comment below. Let me know what you think. Check out that join button below if you'd like to check out some exclusive content to the channel. But outside of that, I appreciate everybody for watching. See you soon in the next video.